Hi Kings United family, it's your coach PK here. Today in this video, I'm gonna tell you what I need you to do for the entire week, every single day. Exercise number 1. So pretty much, I need you to bounce the ball beside your body. On the side here, make sure your head is up, chest out, head up, and you are bouncing the ball on the same spot. And I need you to do this for 20 seconds. And once you finish doing it with the right hand, do it then with the left hand, also 20 seconds, no stop. If you lose the ball bounces off your feet, then you start again the 20 seconds. This is the same exercise, but on the left hand. Okay, you got a phone, your parents got a phone, ask them for their phone, ask them to put 20 seconds on it and run it and keep bouncing the ball for 20 seconds, no stop. After you have done that, I need you to cross the ball over. Again, standing on the same spot, looking up, chest out, and just cross the ball in front of your body. Cross, cross. Again, 20 seconds, not stop. If you miss, dribble the ball, start again until you get the 20 seconds done. Next exercise. Now we're gonna increase some movement on the training. So ball on the side of your body, bouncing, chest out, and start walking without looking at the ball. Walk, walk, walk. When you go up to here, start walking back. And do the same thing with the left hand. Bounce, walk, walk, walk. Nice and slow and steady. And then walk back with your left hand only, no right hand help. 20 seconds, no stop, back and forth, until you go to the next exercise. So this next exercise is gonna be your last exercise, 3 exercises, and this is how it's gonna go. So you come all the way back here, and start bouncing, crossing the ball over. Cross, cross, behind your legs, cross, 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 and then going back, cross, 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 cross. Again, the same deal, 20 seconds, no stop. Parents, please help your children completing the task. I'm pretty sure encourage them to complete the task. And I hope you have a great week, and I'll see you very, very soon on the court.